Hey everyone. Uh, Hurricane Milton is a Category 3. It made landfall and it's in Tampa right now. And it's going across and it's going across. It's going to hit Orlando and Tampa. But we're getting the rain from it. A lot of rain from it. So it's going to end Thursday morning. Because today is Wednesday right now. It's Thursday, ends at Thursday in the morning. Thursday in the morning or maybe in the evening. So it'll be on the other side of the ocean as a Category 1. But we're still getting a lot of the rain right now from it. And still have my power on, so everything's fine here. I'm doing fine. The family's doing fine. I hope my friend from here in Florida and his family have left. I'm pretty sure they left St. Augustine, Florida, oldest town in the city of Florida. I used to live there for like 5 years, 9 years. I think, yeah, about 5 years. But we're fine here. I'm fine here in Jacksonville, Florida. And I'm doing good. Well, anyways, I just wanted to tell you this is the tonight's update of the storm, and I'll see you later in the next video when it leaves Florida, and that'll be Thursday morning or Thursday evening. So I'll see you the next video on tomorrow morning or tomorrow evening. So when it's gone and the rain has calmed down. So when the rain calms down. So see you later. Bye. Love you guys. Love you gals. See ya. Bye. And good night, and have a wonderful night, and wonderful even morning, and even morning, night, even day, wherever you're at. So bye. Bye. Love you guys. Bye. Love you guys, everyone. Love you gals, everybody. And stay safe where you're going through this storm. Do not go out in the storm, because it's very dangerous. And I've been watching the TV. I've seen people going out there on the beach. Do not go on the beach. Do not go to the piers. Listen to your weather people. Even the weather people get out here and doing this cover of the storm. That's their job, not your job. So do not do that. Do not take pictures. Don't take videos. Don't do anything else. Do not do that. That is a dangerous risk you're doing. And anyways, see you later, everyone. Love you guys, and take care of your pets and your plants. Take them in and take care of everybody. And just take care of everybody, okay? So see you later. Bye. Love you guys. Love you everyone. Love you guys, everyone. So take care of everybody. Bye. Good night.